Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find USDC wallet address on get.io. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your get.io application. Once you have logged into your get.io account, after that you just need to simply tap on the assets tab at the bottom right corner, and after that you need to tap on this deposit button here and click on on-chain deposit. From this list of cryptocurrencies, in the search bar you have to simply search for USDC and click on the top version of USD coin. After that you need to select a network here. You can select any network according to your choice, but always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose your friends. Now I'm selecting here Binance Smart Chain. After that, here you can see your USDC on Binance Smart Chain wallet address along with the QR code. Simply copy this address or you can share this QR code directly, and that's how you can find the wallet address of USDC coin. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.